Hi guys, welcome back to Fusion's Health's Daily Qigong. Today we'll be doing upper body. So if you have any tightness in your upper body, it's a good job you tuned in. So we're opening up the chest, releasing the shoulders, but also just doing this Qigong to quiet the mind. So just follow along with me and we'll get started. Cool. So just remember this Qigong posture that we've been starting with. Your feet are rooted to the earth, your head's being pulled up to the heavens and your head's parallel over your body, nice and straight. And you're just breathing from your belly center. Smiling into your body. I'm going to smile into our heart space today. Imagine a happy heart, filling up with joy and love. Now we're going to imagine golden chi coming down our whole body, smiling through our head, through our shoulders, back through our heart, down into our belly, smiling into our legs and into the earth. Alright. I'm going to start off with a bit of shaking again. And just shake it out. Shake off any stress, any tension. Shake out your legs, shake out your arms, a bit of a bounce. And you don't have to follow what I'm shaking, you can shake however you like. If you want. Alright, come back to center. I'm just going to twist our hips. Nice and slow, holding your lower back. Getting that full rotation. And we'll go back the other way. Now just going to bring our hands up to our kidneys here. And we're going to do it torso circling. It's a bit different. Just imagine you're twisting your lower back. And just nice small circles. And back the other way. Alright, I'm going to come up to our shoulders. And nice and slow, just circling. Really feeling into your shoulders. Slower the better with this. And we'll go back the other way. I'm just going to bring our arms out and circle our hands. Really circling all the wrists, getting into the joint, feeling into the joint, and back the other way. And bringing it forward, circling, coming back down. And now we're just going to put our head to the side and just up and down. If you have any pain in this exercise, don't attempt it, just stop and be still. And the other side. Just feel into your neck. Right. And we're just going to do little small circles, mainly just with your head. Visualizing going up each vertebra. And back the other way. It's always good to be careful with the neck. It's such a precious thing. Alright. Now we're going to start opening up our chest. We'll start with some tapping under our collarbone. Great for the lungs as well. Opening up the breath. And I'm just going to tap on our sternum area. And just the chest. And our arms. Inside the arm. Inside the arm. On our shoulders or trapezius muscles. Tapping it hard, but not too hard, just so you can feel it, activating all these energy points, opening up the meridians. Alright, we can do a bit of tapping on our head as well, and just down into the belly. Alright, now we're going to do a bit of a self-massage, just squeezing. Really squeezing and massaging each point in your arm and shoulder. It's always good to do self-massage during the day. Just such a beautiful thing you can do for yourself or for someone else as well. And just rub your shoulders and rub your neck. And just rub this upper chest area. Clockwise, and anti-clockwise. Alright. Now we're going to start off with some Qigong forms. So bringing up and down. Bringing up. Bringing that heaven energy down through the body. I'm going to start off with holding up the teacups, opening up the shoulders, serving the teacups. Remember to keep your arms up, your hands up, sorry, and back down. Serving. Do one more. Back. And through. Alright. Now we're going to try look behind us. Spread our hands. And back. Lift your arms up. Look back. And down. And try and make it one motion. Just parting the hands. This is really good for opening up your chest, spreading your wings. If you've been at the computer desk, you've been flexed over, it's really going to open up. Do that one more time. Alright, now we're just going to open up. Fly. Could be, imagine you're a bird flying. And lift back. And down. So in breath. And out breath. In breath. And out breath. In breath. Out breath. I'm just going to open up and down. I'm going to stretch all the way you can, as far as you can. And just tracing your leg down. And down. And try to look at the ceiling. And you should feel a really good stretch. We'll do 2 more. Alright, now we're just going to put your arm behind your back and we're just going to circle around, look behind us, lift up to the sky and back down. Right arm behind your back, turn around, look behind you, scoop around, up and down. Do 1 more. And just circle our arms a bit. Just feel the difference in the shoulders, nice and loose. Alright, now we're just going to come up with our arms and back down. Come up, back down. And just do 1 more. And release. And a little bit of a shake. Alright. And we'll just come back to hands over abdomen. And thanking our body for the beautiful practice we've just done for ourselves. Smiling into our abdomen. Alright, that's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed that upper back exercise. Yeah, my shoulders feel amazing now. So yeah, you can do that any time of the day. Say you've been working for a long time, really open up your chest and shoulders. And yeah, join me tomorrow for the final Qigong class for Fusion Health. I'd love to see you there. Thank you so much.